Want to know the secret to mixing paint that pop with vibrant color and professional grade quality? It all starts with knowing how to use pigment paste in your formulation. Today, I'll show you step by step how to use your pigment paste to create paint that looks stunning and sell like hot cake. Let's dive in. Hi, welcome to Vlogmas Day 8. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to incorporate pigment paste into your paint formulation for professional grade result. Whether you're working with water-based or oil-based paint, this guide will help you get consistent high quality outcome every time. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you'll be notified once any of our video goes live during this Vlogmas season. Now, once again, pigment paste is a pre-dispersed mixture of pigment, binders, and additives. It provides vibrant colors, constant coverage, and reduces production time. Whether you're making decorative, industrial, or specialized paint, this step is crucial. Okay, now let's look at the tools used in this process. First of all, measuring scale for priceless quantities, mixing containers or tank, stirrers or machine mixer, and then we have our viscometer for checking paint consistencies and applicators for testing paint coverage. All right. First of all, you have to pour at least 50 to 60% of water based on the total formula into a clean mixing container. 2. Add your disperse agent like your carbon PT and mix thoroughly. Then now introduce about 20 to 25% binder, e.g. your acrylic emulsion or PVA. This forms the body of the paint. And then now gradually add the pigment paste while stirring continuously to ensure even disperse. Use a high-speed mixer for large-scale production, or you can use a stirrer or a stick to stir properly. Then now add thickness to control velocity, and then the next you use your deformers to eliminate air bubbles. Add preservative to increase the shelf life. And now introduce extenders like your calcium carbonate to improve opacity and reduce costs. Then you test for viscosity, opacity, and drying time. Adjust the pigment paste concentration if needed. Now, let's look at using pigment paste in oil-based paint. Remember, this is the guidelines on how to use your pigment color paste for your paint production. So now, use your kerosene or turpentine as a solvent, making up to 40 to 50% to the formula. Then add 20 to 30% of your acrylic resin or lisa oil to provide adhesion or durability. Now slowly introduce the pigment paste while mixing continuously. Add your dryers, which are your coberts, to speed up drying time, and use anti-skinner agent to prevent surface flame formulation. Stir thoroughly and test for flow, drying time, and finishes. Adjust the pigment level as necessary. Now, let me give you these tips for success. Always use accurate measurement to measure consistencies. Mix thoroughly to avoid streaks or uneven color. Store your finished paint in airtight containers to maintain quality. Test your paint on a smaller surface to elevate coverage and drying time. If this tutorial helped you understand how to use pigment paste in your paint formulation, hit the like button and comment paint production 31 days lucky winners. Tomorrow, we will take this knowledge further by diving into advanced technique for achieving paint durability and performance. Make sure to subscribe and to on all your notifications so you don't miss it. Let's keep building your paint business this Vlogmas. See you in the next video. Bye for now.